Hi folks, today I'm diving into the power of local fog actor in Unreal Engine and showing you how it can bring depth and realism to your scenes. In this beautiful jungle environment, and by strategically placing the local fog between the trees and woods, we will create an atmospheric look that truly transforms the scene. Let's jump right in. Alright guys, we want to start from scratch, and what I really want to add to this scene is to have a little bit of depth between the trees over there. So I'm going to search for the word fog, and as you can see by typing it, this is the local fog actor that I was talking about. So I'm gonna drag it over here, and as you can see, it kind of have a spheric shape. So let's place it over here and let's scale it up to that much. I think would be okay. Yeah, and let's bring it a bit down, and I'm gonna duplicate another fog actor and place it right here to have more depth in my scene. Alright guys, now let's jump to the details tab of the actor and see what parameters do we have. The first one is Radial Fog Density, which controls the density of the fog within the radial area of the actor, affecting how thick or thin the fog appears. And the next one is Height Fog Density, which adjusts the overall density of the fog based on height, creating a vertical gradient of fog intensity. And then we have Height Fog Falloff, which determines how quickly the fog fades out as it rises, allowing you to create softer or sharper transitions in the height-based fog. And then we have Height Fog Offset, which shifts the starting height of the fog layer. And then we have Scattering Distribution and also Fog Albedo. The scattering distribution adjusts how the light scatters through the fog, and fog albedo defines the color of the fog, as you can see, and how much light it reflects, allowing you to set the fog's overall hue and brightness. Alright folks, that's a wrap on this quick tutorial showcasing the use of the local fog actor in Unreal Engine to enhance depth and realism in your scenes. I hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to experiment with fog to create immersive atmospheres in your own projects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unreal Engine tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.